Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a mom and wife, a mom to one, and have one on the way. In this video, I'm 9 months pregnant. Honestly, by the time this video comes out, it's past my due date. So I'm 2 weeks from my due date right now as I'm speaking, and then this video is going to be past my due date when it goes live. So probably already have the baby by then, but I did want to film one last cozy Christmas video now that my house is all decorated before I go ahead and take my break once I have the newborn. So I believe this will be my last video before I take my little break, but go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want to know more, if you want to see the baby, or if you want to see what's going on in my life from day to day. But today we're just going to be doing some cozy house making. So I'm going to be baking with my daughter, trying to spend as much time with her as I can before her baby brother comes and then it's no longer her. I'm just going to be cleaning up my kitchen. Honestly, not too much to clean, just needed to empty out the dishwasher, clean the sink, wipe everything down, and I've been doing a really good job at staying on top of my entire house because I do not want this baby to basically catch me off guard and then I'm stuck cleaning my entire house before I go into labor and delivery. So yeah, we're just going to be doing some cleaning and again some baking with my daughter, and then also some decorating outside. My husband is putting up the outside decorations that I can't, and then I'm going to be doing the front porch, and I'm so excited to show you guys because it's the first year that we're actually doing something like this. And yeah, so today's video is going to be filled with cleaning motivation, baking motivation, and just cozy Christmas decorating, cozy Christmas music, and just cozy vibes overall. Count how many times I just said cozy and let me know in the comments. But first, before we go on, I did want to thank Louisa for sponsoring today's video. If you've been here for a while, then you know this is not my first collaboration with them by far. I have collaborated with them many times. Reason being, I love their jewelry. I love the earrings that they sent me today and this necklace that I'm about to show you guys. I was not a jewelry wearer before I found Louisa, but Louisa is a jewelry company that sells carbon neutral jewelry at such affordable prices, starting at just $39. But the quality is top notch. One of the reasons why I love them so much is because most of their jewelry is gold plated, and hypoallergenic, so they don't irritate my ears. So these are the only earrings that I can wear. I've tried ones from Target, everywhere that claim to be hypoallergenic, and they just don't agree with me. So I love that I can actually wear earrings for them. But I have multiple of their pieces. I have the mama necklace that you guys know I love, and the one I'm wearing in today's video, which is a pearl heart, and I love it. I love that they come in these little pouches because they're so easy to store, and it really helps them last and just stay beautiful and shiny. I'm in love with these earrings. I've been wearing them every single day. I kid you not. What I also love about them is that they have so many styles and options on their website and such unique jewelry. It's so dainty. They're so pretty. I literally never used to wear jewelry before Louisa, but they made me fall in love with the look of jewelry because their pieces are so unique and so, again, dainty, and I just love them. I even gave them as Christmas gifts last year when I collaborated with them, and my mother-in-law loved the pieces that I gave her. They also have amazing fast shipping and a 2-year guarantee on all of their pieces. So they are guaranteeing quality and they do not disappoint. For the month of November, they have amazing sales going on for up to 35% off, and they always have sales going on. So I'll leave that information in my description. You guys can click that link and go ahead and also help support my channel. But definitely make sure you check that out, especially if you're in the market for Christmas gifts. December is right around the corner, literally in 2 to 3 days, and so it's time to start thinking about Christmas shopping if you haven't already. And Louisa makes the perfect gift for anybody. So thank you to Louisa for sponsoring today's video. But now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy me washing this dirty sink. I I had to throw away the little holder for my sponge because there was like some black stuff on it. I don't know if it was mold. I don't think so, but I think it was just like it just got really gunky, so I had to throw it away, and I'll also like use a new sponge because my sponge was in there. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning the rest of my kitchen, and then I'll catch up with you guys once we start decorating and baking and all that other good stuff.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Alright, you guys, we're about to start baking, but first I just wanted to put a little disclosure out there. If you guys notice that I'm wearing the same outfit as a lot of my previous Christmas videos, just bear with me because not a lot fit me at this point, and I wasn't about to keep buying Christmas outfits for my videos in my pregnancy size. So yeah, that's what's going on. But for these cookies that I'm about to make with my daughter, I just grabbed the snickerdoodle mix, and we're making some reindeer cookies that I saw on Pinterest. Super easy. I'm helping her, of course, in a lot of it because baking with a 2-year-old is very messy, and I just been really like keen on keeping my kitchen clean. So you'll see I'm like guiding her a lot, but I been trying to spend a lot more time with her, just doing things like quality time with her, taking her to the library on like lunch dates, baking together, and just trying to spend a lot of time with her because I know it's going to be a huge change for her when I'm with the newborn a lot of my time. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and bake these cookies. Again, you can use any cookie mix that you want, and then I'll show you guys later on how to do the little reindeer face.
Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents.
She's so funny. So for these snickerdoodle cookies, you have to like roll out the dough, and then you have to roll it in the cinnamon sugar, and she just kept dipping her finger, and I kept trying to stop her, and there was no stopping her. She was, oh my gosh, forget about it. And she was so hyper the rest of the day because of all that sugar, but she really enjoyed baking these cookies with me. It was so fun.
Can't guarantee, so please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my...
So when you take the cookies out the oven, you'll see me rushing here, and my plan was to let her do most of it, but I had to rush, so she only got to do a little bit of it because you have to do this when the cookies are warm, and I got caught up with something, so they ended up cooling a little bit on me. But all you do is use pretzels for the 2 antlers, and then you can use either googly eyes, or I just used chocolate chips because that's what I had, and then red M&Ms for the nose like Rudolph, and you just stick them in there when they're warm. But again, I had let my cookies cool a bit because I think I was like changing her diaper upstairs, and then I came down and the cookies were cold, and I was like, oh no, so I had to like rush, but I still let her do some of it. And these cookies came out so good and so cute, perfect for Christmas, perfect if you're hosting something for Christmas, or if you're hosting Christmas, you know. And yeah, they're just so cute and super easy to do.
Me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. We forgot.
Another thing I wanted to do was add my Christmas jar to my counters because I didn't do it in my decorating videos, but I needed to first find my gingerbread man cookies that I love and my daughter loves. So I found them at Big Lots. I only got 2 bags, and what I usually do is put a cup in there so I don't have to like overfill the jar. Because if the cup wasn't in there, I'd need like 3 to 4 bags to fill this whole jar. But I started off doing them like very aesthetically, and I was gonna like line them all up straight. And then I very quickly just gave up on that dream, and I just tried to lay them where at least the front was facing the front of the jar so it'd look more nice.
From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
Then after all the baking, my husband came home and he started working on hanging my wreaths while I was doing the front porch. For the front porch, I just had some stuff from at home that I wanted to go ahead and put it. I have a very small front porch, so I don't go all out. We do want to extend this front porch to the left. There's a bunch of room, and we have 2 huge flower beds on both sides of the house, so we can really extend this front porch so I can actually have like chairs and stuff. But the 2 trees were from Costway last year. These lanterns are from Target from last year. I had them inside the house. This year I used them outside. The rug that says we're probably watching Christmas movies, which we probably are, is from I think At Home, and so is the wreath. And just kept it very simple. And then my husband, as I was doing this, was again hanging up the wreaths from Hobby Lobby. So I had this dream to have wreaths at the peaks of the house ever since we moved in here, but we just never got around to it. First we were like perfecting the inside, but this year was the year to do it. And let me just say, we were quoted $1,000 just to hang 2 wreaths by like a professional Christmas lighting company. And this wreath at Hobby Lobby, it was $136, but half off, so it came out to 60 something. And then you'll see the next day we had originally planned to just do this peak, but then we saw it and we saw that the other peak looked very empty, so we ended up getting a slightly smaller one for the other side that you'll see here in a second. And that one cost like $40 after the discount. So I don't know where these companies get their pricing from, but I'm just going to show you guys now everything lit up at night. I hope you guys enjoy this cozy Christmas day with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one, which I don't know when that will be, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and see you soon. And don't forget to check out Ana Luisa in my description.